Hello, beautiful and wonderful people. I'm super excited to bring to you all another wonderful recipe, which is a very simple hair moisturizer that can help to add moisture to your hair. It helps to minimize breakage, freeze shedding, scalp dryness, replaces it with a soothing and fresh hair, and increases hair strength, softness, and elasticity. But before we get to the video, I will be right back. So guys, to start, I'll be needing one aloe vera leaf. Aloe vera has been used for centuries for its healing properties. It's a plant that has thick leaves with a gel-like substance inside of them. It's found all over the world and many people even grow their own like me. Aloe vera gel is cooling and soothing when applied to the skin, which is why it's sometimes used to treat burns and skin wounds. The best form of aloe vera to use on your hair is the raw gel of the plant. You can buy this gel in almost any pharmacy or scoop it out of the leaves. Cut some fresh from a live plant if you have one. The gel is clear in color and slightly watery. You can use the aloe vera gel by rubbing the gel into your scalp and hair and letting it penetrate your hair follicles. Wash it off after an hour with a mild shampoo. So guys, after washing my aloe vera, I went ahead and cut the sharp ends. After cutting the sharp ends, I will scoop out the gel and blend the gel, then set that aside. After that, I'll go ahead and add 1.5 tablespoons of flaxseed into a pot, or you can also use a saucepan. And I'll add half tablespoons of fenugreek seed, then add water and bring everything to a boil. I'll boil them for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. Flaxseed gel, when it comes to hair, have so many benefits. It promotes quicker and longer hair growth by nourishing the roots. The vitamin E in the flaxseed nourishes the scalp while reducing free radical damage. It promotes hair development and slows hair breaking by improving blood flow in the scalp. If you have watched me from the beginning till now, guys, and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, so you don't get to miss on any of my uploads or miss out on any of my videos. So now I'll go ahead and blend the flaxseed and the fenugreek seed I've cooked earlier into a fine and smooth paste. After that, I will strain it out. There are so many benefits of moisturizing the scalp. Sometimes we forget that the scalp is similar to the skin in the sense that both need hydration to avoid the feeling of roughness. One of the most important benefits of moisture is that it gets rid of scalp dryness and replaces it with a soothing and fresh sensation. When the scalp is clean from dandruff-causing fungus, it won't itch and put you in embarrassing situations, especially in outings or business meetings. Additionally, your hair will stand to breathe and feel light on your head. No more tightness and irritation. As for the hair, moisturization can do magic. It solves the problem of frizz, giving you more control over your hair. Further, it will reduce the possibility of breakage and damage caused by styling, while increasing the hair length, strength, softness, and elasticity. Frequently asked questions is, does moisture help your hair grow? Although moisture doesn't speed hair growth, but it does prevent breakage and tangles. This can help retain the length and continued growth of your hair. Whatever your hair type is, thick, fine, wavy or curly, moisturizing your scalp and hair is the key to keeping it healthy. As a rule of thumb, moisture to the scalp is like water to the soil. If you ignore moisturization, it will more likely take a toll on your hair. So now I'm done straining the mixture. Now I'll add my coconut milk I extracted from coconut. You can add any coconut milk of your choice. Then I will continue mixing and I will add my aloe vera gel. So I'll mix everything so they can blend together. After that, I'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of Brillo extra virgin olive oil. You can add any carrier oil of your choice, be it jojoba oil, argan oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, or any oil of your choice that you desire. You can go ahead and add it. So guys, if you have watched me from the beginning till 9 and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please love, consider hitting the red button below that says subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, so you don't get to miss any of my upload or miss out on any of my videos that is coming up, because I always do upload 2 times in a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. That is my special uploading day, so you don't get to miss out on any of my upload. And if you have any question relating to this video, do let me know in the comment section. Let's chat it up. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. So now we'll go ahead for the application. First thing first, I divided my hair into 2 sections because it will make it easier for me to work on. Then I wet my hair with lukewarm water. Guys, you can see how dry my scalp and hair is because I was on 2 months cornrow protective hairstyle. Then after that, I will go ahead and dispense a small amount on my palms and massage the scalp thoroughly. Then work my way through the hair from the roots to the tips of my hair. I apply the right amount of the mixture all over my hair with more attention to the middle and end parts. Leave the moisture for at least an hour and rinse properly with lukewarm water. Please take note, you can moisturize your hair 2 to 3 times in a month for a better and quicker result. Whether fine or coarse, all types of hair need moisture, just as you should be moisturizing your skin each day if you want to avoid dry hair at all costs, as dryness is the #1 cause of many hair issues, including split ends, tangles, freezing and brittle end. Please include moisturization in your hair care routine. So guys, at this point we have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider hitting the red button that says subscribe and turn on your post notifications bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And please, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment relating to this video, and share to your family and friends. See you guys in my next video. I love you all. Stay blessed. Bye.